In this week, key levels for L&T, Bajaj Finance, SBIN, and ICICI worked very precisely. As far as others are concerned, we'll go and review how those key levels have worked for other stocks and two indices we discussed last week, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. I'm Rishikesh. So, before I give you the key levels for next week, let's go and discuss how the key levels for this week have performed. We'll take a quick review. Let me share my screen. Yes, this is Nifty, Bank Nifty, I'm sorry. This is where the market was, and I gave you key level when the market was 19th June. Okay, you can see my key level was 57,500, and with this candle they seemed like a breakdown, but this was this candle confirmed that the market has recovered, and above this level again you can see the retest right here with this morning star, with these two red candles and green candle. This is a morning star pattern. With this morning star, recovery above 57,500 confirmed. Okay, and the market rallied above this 57,500 up to 58,600 and then closed at 58,193. For Nifty, you can see the price overextended beyond 24,135 and 23,965. Okay, in the initial phase up to what? Yes, up to 11:45 23rd June. The market respected the key level right here, but then breakdown over extension of price below 23,965, recovery, and again over extension of price about 24,135. So there is not much of a performance in Nifty, but in L&T you can see right here how beautifully the price has taken support at 4180. How many times? Four times price has taken support. You can see support 1, support 2, support 3 and support 4. Four times price has taken support, and this key level 4180 have performed very beautifully. Hindustan Unilever, again there is overextension of price slightly above and below our key levels. So actually the price created kind of a consolidation zone for brief time, and then you can see right here it reversed. Okay, and you cannot expect price to take a support at our key level. Okay, sometimes that has happened. You can go through my last videos, but generally price does some price consolidates slightly below or above the key levels, and then we come to know whether the key level has worked or the price has broken above or broken below the key levels. So this is for Hindustan Unilever. Bajaj Finance, superb. See the price taken support with this false breakdown candle. This is false breakdown candle. Okay, open low candle. This is open low false breakdown candle, and see the exact support the price this candle has taken from 9055 955. Superb. It worked in a superb manner. This is one of the four stocks for which key levels have worked. I told you in the introduction. Bajaj Finance, superb. Infosys, yes. See, in this case, there is a, let me just draw something for you. You'll come to know how our key level has worked. Okay, yes, just look at this. Just look at this, how the price candle, how this pattern is distributed on the both side of 1050. Do you understand? That means this key level work in the sense that price compressed at this key level. During this whole week, the price compressed at 1050. You can see the compression of price creating a triangle pattern, wedge shaped pattern. This is a wedge shaped pattern. Okay, symmetrical wedge shaped. Okay, in that sense, Infosys key level has worked for the Infosys. Again, SBIN superb. For last 3 weeks, SBIN key levels for SBIN are working perfectly on the spot. Okay, and this week was one of those weeks. Okay, key level taken support consolidation slightly below 1025, and then the valid support at our key level. This is SBI, ICICI also. See, first resistance at 1370. You can see the valid resistance. This with the morning star candle, the price recovery, or you may call it a liquidity sweep, or you may call it false breakdown below 1345. Price recovered, again breakout with this candle 1370, above 1370. And why 1370 was valid level? What gives us that 1370 was valid? Because see, after this the retest so many times at this level, retest of this level so many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles retesting 1370, and again there was a next target of 1400, exactly taking a valid resistance at 1400. A textbook kind of price action turned out to be, key levels turned out to be most accurate. ICICI, then TCS, again you can see the compression, see the compression, and this is likely to continue if I'm not wrong. Okay, if I'm not wrong, this is likely to continue until price breaks out of this pattern. So 2100 or 2105 is going to be crucial for next couple of weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, we'll see what happens, and we'll also see what are the levels next week. So this is for TCS, Bharti Airtel. See, first taken support, first candle taken support at our key level, second candle, and then third candle also taken support. Then after these three testing, there is a valid breakdown of this candle, and also then there was a price breakdown below 1870, and again you can see a retesting right here after breakdown, and also right here HDFC, same overextension of price above and below the key levels. So you can see right here the price break below, spent some time below 780, but again recovered above this, went above, okay, 1800, and then again came back. So do you see an expanding triangle pattern right here? So when the key levels are price overextends below and above the key levels, those are likely the expanding triangle patterns. Okay, so I think in this Hindustan Unilever also there was a extension. See right here. We have Reliance. You can see first candle, with this first 5-minute candle at the start of the week, 15-minute candle at the start of the week, the breakout was seemed like a confirmation. Even I would have taken the bullish trade, but then you can see no follow up after this candle. Okay, there was no follow up after this candle, and then price breaking down below 1330. After this breakdown of this price below 1330, there is a bearish follow up, you can see, and again price came back to retest 1330. That's how you come to know the key levels we extracted are accurate. Price breaking down and retesting, or retesting the key level multiple times and then breaking down or breaking above. Okay, so of our this was the review of our this week's performance of the key levels. Let's go and get the key levels for the next week. These are the key levels for the next week. We'll start from Bank Nifty. Okay, you can see right here the Bank Nifty. $57 500, $57 880, and then $59 825. This is the Bank Nifty. If the price goes below 57 500 throughout the session, price is likely to remain below 57 500. Nifty 50, I won't be explaining or dictating all the key levels, it will be lengthy video, so you can just take a snapshot of this. See, if there is anything important, I will tell you. This is snapshot. Treat these as zone 595 to 430, and then 965 to 120. Treat this as a zone. Okay, if the price goes below this, then throughout the week price is likely to remain below 23,965. LNT, see, so price going below 2180 likely to give you a bearish momentum in LNT. Hindustan Unilever, you can expect some whipsaws if the price stays from 2155 to 2210. Okay, see the sideways pattern right here. So if these, you can see these three key levels equally spaced from each other. So if the price remains in this zone right here, then price is further likely to be compressed in this zone. Hindustan Unilever, and then Bajaj Finance. Superb. See, nothing much to say about crystal clear key levels. Okay, take a snapshot of this. Infosys, again crystal clear key levels. Okay, Price remains in this zone, then expect further compression of price. Let's see the Bollinger Band. Yes. See, I mean next weekend is 23rd of July, right? 3rd of July, right here. So let's see if the volatility increases and the price takes direction in this week or not. This is for Infosys, SBI. Okay, price may remain between 1070 to 1035. Price goes to 1070, you can really think of selling calls. Okay, think of, it's not an advisory. Okay, so this is State Bank, ICICI. Again, treat these as zones. First zone and then this second zone. Let's see if the price breaks above this zone or remains in this zone. Right now the trend is up, but let's see. TCS. See the Bollinger Band compressing. Prices maybe next week the price will compress inside this zone. So 2135 to 2035. If the price breaks above or below, we have target for upper side to 2220, and if the price breaks below this, then 2035 will be the key level. Okay, we don't have target for downside. I think yes, we don't have target. I'm not analyzed that much past data because recently price has not been in this region. That's why. This is TCS, Bharti Airtel. See, price is likely to remain 19202 to 1790. Okay, if it breaks below this, then you can expect price to remain below 1790. Bharti Airtel, HDFC. Okay, if I mean if let me just take a drawing tool. See, if the Bollinger Band compresses like this, then expect the compression inside 810 to 780. Okay, before the price taking any decisive direction. So this was HDFC and this is the Reliance. Bollinger Band has already compressed, and if the week starts below 1320, if the week starts with price closing below 1320, then expect price to go to 1270. Second target 1240. If on the upside we have 1360. Okay, so these key levels can be used as a target, and if you miss the opportunity, then these key levels can be used as a resistance or support. Okay, so that's all from my side. I'll see you in the next week.